So today we're going to review how to find area and circumference of a circle. We have a circle here, 8 inches, remember, is the radius. Remember, the radius is halfway across the circle, so our radius would be 8 inches. And diameter is all the way across the circle, so if I have 8 inches and 8 inches and I add them together, I would get a total of 16 inches. So our diameter is 16 inches. Okay, we're gonna focus right now on area. So our formula for area equals pi times radius squared. And remember, pi equals 3.14. We're gonna be using 3.14 on our calculators when we use pi. So we always start by writing down our formula. A equals pi times radius squared. Then I'm going to fill in the information that I know. So pi, instead of using the pi symbol, we're going to use 3.14. And my radius, if we look back up here, is 8 inches. So I'm going to put 8 squared. Now remember, 8 squared is 8 times 8, not 8 times 2. So 8 squared, 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, so I'm just rewriting all of those steps once I have them done. So 3.14 times 64 is 200.96. And remember, my label for area is inches squared. Centimeters squared, feet squared, I need to make sure I have it squared. Okay. Now we're going to focus on circumference. Now remember, circumference is around the circle. It's like perimeter. So I'm trying to find how, what it is around the circle. So we have two formulas for circumference. We have pi times diameter, or we have circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. Remember, the radius is halfway across. That's why we multiply 2. So let's start with this formula. So circumference equals pi. I'm going to use 3.14 for pi. And my diameter is 16 times 16. So my circumference, 3.14 times 16, is 50.24. And my label I'm going to use is just inches. Okay. Or if I use this formula, circumference equals 2 times 3.14 times my radius, which is 8, also will equal 50.24 inches. So just to review, area is the area inside of the circle. Circumference is the outside of a circle. Radius is halfway across. Diameter is all the way across. And the pi symbol, we use the number 3.14.